Hey, my friend, how you doing today?
Okay, I'm good.
All right, I remember you. Yeah, been a long time. Long time. So what are you doing here?
Weaving.
So you're over here weaving.
Yeah.
So what do you take? Are you taking a break?
Yeah, I'm taking a break.
Now, what are you making?
Right now, I do the bands and then I still work the bands, the bracelets with the names, these two stars, and then it's been a long time.
So how long you been doing this?
I was a kid. It has been I think 15 years now. 15 years I've been weaving.
All right, what would you recommend as far as a cloth for our people? Which cloths would you recommend? You have different cloths. So which style would you recommend?
First, what we do say is if you want to buy the Kente, you need to understand the meaning and how it is. And for me, I would recommend the expensive ones, which is the triple weaving. That's the most tedious and expensive one. And then the triple weaving is like, it goes like this. It goes like this. It's a design throughout. You will never see a single weaving. And that's what you said. When we come to Kente, we have three main groups, three main categories. We have the plain weaving, which is the single weaving. The designs inside are single, they are just throughout, they are one. Single weaving. And we have the double weaving, which is another one like this. We have plain weaving, and we have
What is this one? How much CDs?
there's the owner. We have the plain weaving and then a design, which is the double. Double. When you talk of double, we have plain weaving and design. But when you talk of the triple, we have all being made designs throughout. All designs to make it triple. So what I will recommend for you is a triple weaving, and then the silk, and then the double weaving. At least if you can afford for the triple, you go for the double. And then the olden days they are using the silk. Yeah, the silk like that. Like that. These are awesome.
Alright, there you go, family. You have gotten a nice little Kente cloth weaving introduction from our good brother.
Oh, okay. And then also they have this. Every Kente have the name. The name they have a junior Asa. They have Fatah Nkrumah. Fatah is the wife of the first president of Ghana, Nkrumah. And then we have Ejuniso. And then the Ejunasa, we say the mine is finished. They came to your time, they were weaving, and then they employ all the designs. So the design were no more. They didn't have any design to make, so they stopped they call that design Ejune Asa. They have my heart desire, which is like this. My heart desire. Even this one is my heart desire.